ridiculous is that, okay? Yeah, I turn the camera off and then I start talking. Girl, what is wrong with you today? I've literally been filming for like maybe 3 hours because I've been on the phone, I've been chit-chatting, I've been snacking, I've been drinking, I've been drinking. No, not like that. But anyway, let's get to this video. This whole entire face is breaking out. Just whole entire face decided to break out today. Okay, yeah, nice. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided I wanted to have a giveaway. I wanted to go ahead and give somebody something. So I never actually know how I want to do a giveaway or what's the best way to do a giveaway. I just know I want to give something away. So this is just going to be a basic giveaway, and what I'm going to be giving away is, and what I'm giving away is one whole complete set from Shop Hush, the Bad Habit After Collection palettes. So currently there are 6 palettes in their After collection. They came out with 4 originally. The After Hours, After Party, After Dark, After Everything, After Shock. And then they came out with some new ones recently, which, what is this? After Charge and After Glow. So anywho, I bought one of the whole complete sets of the After Party palettes from Shop Hush to give away. So that's what I'm going to be giving away. And today I'm actually going to be trying out their Afterglow palette. So this is the one that I'm going to be trying out today, Afterglow. And this is what it looks like. So it has kind of like the nice warm orangey red and gold type shades or shadows in this palette. So this is the one that I am going to be trying out today, and all the other ones I'm going to give away. I actually already have a complete set myself, except for the After Charge, because I actually have the Huda Beauty Gemstones palette, which that is supposed to be a replica of, because they're basically replicas of all the Huda Beauty mini palettes. So yeah, that's what that whole set is, and since I have this one, I didn't see a need to get the dupe. But all the rest of them I did purchase. So we're going to be trying out this Afterglow from Bad Habit palette today. But before I get into that, I want to go ahead and actually try some other items or products that I have gotten in my monthly subscription boxes that I'm curious about. So I'm just moisturizing. I'm just moisturizing with my Neutrogena right now. And then we'll go ahead and move into some of the other items that I want to try out today. So that was just the Neutrogena Hydra Boost moisturizer that I used. Now, some of these weird items that I want to try out today are these lip masks and under eye masks. Now, I have here this Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Masks. And so I really want to try these out under my eyes just to see if they will actually make any difference that you guys can visibly see, because as you can see, as usual, I have my nice little dark circles under my eyes. They're actually not as bad today as they have been in the past, but I want to go ahead and try this out. So that's what I'm going to do. Now, I love when I see other channels do giveaways, and you know, they give away beauty products and skincare and stuff like that. I always think it's so cool when they have different giveaways. So I said, you know what, I'll go ahead and give something away. So I'm going to announce a little bit later on in the video what you have to do to enter into this giveaway if you would like to try and win those Bad Habit palettes. It will be somewhere in this video. Okay, so I don't know if there's a specific way I'm supposed to put these on, but I'm just going to place these right up under my eye. Like so. They're very cool and jelly-like. The texture of the actual under eye patch is like a really soft, like jelly type material, but it feels like it's gonna slide down my eyes, so hopefully it won't. Okay, so I'm going to leave these on while I do my eyebrows. Now the other item that I want to try out is this KNC Beauty All Natural Collagen Infused Lip Mask, which looks like this. And I also received this in one of my monthly subscription bags or boxes, I'm pretty sure, because I don't buy this kind of stuff. So I'm going to use these while I do my eyebrows so I can kill 3 birds with 1 stone. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use my Bella Pierre Stay Put Brow Gel. Yeah, it's the Stay Put Brow Gel. So that's what I'm going to use on my eyebrows today. And by the time I finish my eyebrows, these eyes and lips should be done. Okay, you guys, my lips are tingling. It's been about 12 minutes and my lips are tingling. So let's just hope I don't have any type of allergic reaction to this. But I guess, you know, as you guys saw, this is what it looks like. Some kind of little jelly-like lip mask, which is quite weird. And I'm going to take these off so I can move on with my eyes. They feel very moisturized, but we'll see if any of the darkness subsides. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some concealer on my eyelids so I can move on to this Afterglow palette. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this Afterglow palette from Bad Habit. There are names on the back of this palette, as you can see here, and also it is cruelty-free. And these are the shades that are in this palette. Very pretty, nice and warm, kind of like a sunset. So let's go ahead and just dive right in. I think I'm going to go ahead and start out with this color here, which is called Glint. Okay, so that's a nice soft subtle shade. I think next, and there is a little bit of kick up in, in this palette, just a little bit of powder. Next, I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with this color Beam, which is this color here. There's actually quite a bit of fallout in the pan. I don't know if you can see it in there, but there is quite a bit of fallout in the pan just from me tapping into it. So just FYI. Okay, so since this Afterglow palette doesn't have like a dark brown in here, I'm gonna go ahead and use my After Dark palette since it's from Bad Habit as well, since it's part of the same palette line. And I'm gonna go ahead and go into this deep brown shade here, which is called Arousal. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and take some of my LA Girl Pro Conceal and cut my crease so I can add a little bit of that yellow on my lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this color here, Dazzle, which is the really pretty yellow shade in here. Going back into my After Dark palette, and I'm going back into that deep brown shade, which is Arousal, and I'm going to use that on the outer portion of my cut crease. I just want to go in and kind of soften up that cut just a little bit so it's not too bold without blending that yellow completely out. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and take off the tape, get rid of some of this fallout, finish up the rest of my face, and then come back to finish this look. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look for this Afterglow eyeshadow palette. Just my thoughts on this palette is that for the price, and I believe I paid $12 for mine because I didn't buy the bundle deal where you can get this one and the other one that they just came out with for like $20. I just bought this one because I didn't want the other one. Like I said, I already have the Hooded Beauty that one is supposed to be duping, so I didn't pick that one up. But for this Afterglow palette, it's a nice palette. I think the colors in here are very pretty. It does say sunset. Hopefully I was able to capture that a little bit with this eye look. I really like this golden yellow shade in here, even though these matte shades are extremely powdery and you will get a bit of kick up in this pan. But if you don't mind that, it's not a big deal. You can easily work with that. Use some concealer, you know, spray your brush for the shimmers, which I didn't want to use any shimmers today, so I didn't. I just went ahead and did an all matte look. So that's what I have, but I like this palette. I'll definitely be using it again whenever I want to create a nice sunset or orangey type look. Okay, you guys, so now to the part that everybody's been waiting for. How do you enter this giveaway? Okay, so to enter the giveaway for all of these Bad Habit After Series palettes, which look like this. These are all of the palettes here. I have all 6 of them, and let's pray I don't drop them, but I have all 6 of these palettes here. To enter the giveaway, first of all, you have to be subscribed to my channel, of course. Please follow me. Also, I want you to follow me on Instagram, so just head on over to Instagram, find my Instagram page, which is the same as my YouTube channel, Kolorful Kalmele, and once you follow me on Instagram, you will see a picture of this palette. So you will see a picture of the palette that I used today, which is the Afterglow palette. And when you see a picture of this palette, just make sure that you go ahead, like the picture, and underneath that picture, just comment, "I love sunsets," so that I know that you're entering my contest from here on YouTube. So make sure you go over to Instagram, find Kolorful Kalmele, follow my page, look for the picture of this palette, and just put under there, "I love sunsets," and like the picture. So pretty simple, right? Not too difficult. So I'm going to announce the winner of this giveaway on August the 15th. So make sure you look out for a video here on YouTube. It'll just be a quick little winner announcement video. I'm not going to put it in a video with other stuff. It's just going to be a quick, "This is the winner, congratulations, yay," and that's it. So August the 15th, I'm going to announce the winner, so make sure you don't forget to. Also, I don't want to open the palettes up. I want to keep them as neat as possible for the winner. So if you're not familiar with these Bad Habit After Series palettes, go ahead over to the Shop Hush website or app, and you can take a look at the palettes and just see if these palettes, you know, are something that you want. There's a really nice range of colors and shimmers and mattes and whatnot in these palettes, so it's a very nice variety of palettes to have. So anywho, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Toodles!